Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. There is not really too much to add since last video, but we talked yesterday about the inverse head and shoulders, sort of a bullish reversal pattern, yeah, or even bullish trend continuation, but in this case it would be reversal, and that the key resistance is 2430, and that a push above this neckline of that inverse head and shoulders would probably push us in the first instance to 2680. But if we are going to look at purely the target for the inverse head and shoulders as it would be commonly measured, then you get a higher target. So we take the length or the height of that and we add it to a possible breakout point. It would actually take us to around 2870. So point is here in the very short term, we've got here a possible breakout point, and if that is taken, that breakout point, at the moment we haven't really broken it. Yeah, we're making attempts though, and today we have here nice upside, and I think Solana is trying. Yeah, you have on the micro level here really an ascending trend line that you can draw, and we're really pushing against the ceiling here, and it is a very nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. The way or the move to the upside looks very much like a three-wave structure. So what I cannot rule out at this stage is that it's just an overshooting or just a B-wave really, a corrective pattern which would eventually come down into this support area, yeah, between 1199 and 1738. I am happy both ways, yeah, absolutely, and it's all about, it's all about how do you position yourself strategically. So for me, it's about, we had a signal that we would at least get to 2430 as we broke above that descending trend line. We talked about that in one of the videos. We confirmed the fib level as support, and we're now rallying higher. Identified the inverse head and shoulders. Identified further upside potential from here if we break above it. However, still pointing out and being aware of the possible risk of an impulse to the downside. Said to you in the last video that the move down in the C wave would become more likely if we break below this last swing low here of $22 basically. So what am I going to do? Well, I am not doing much. I did set up my grid bot, which is trading this range here for me. It's now in profit, extremely happy with that. I did set that up a few days ago. I do highlight those grid bot settings to channel members as part of the channel membership, but I start to use these grid bots more and more. Important is that you do not randomly just select the range. You need to select the range based on the Elliott waves. Yeah, that I like them more and more. They just take a lot of work off you. Yeah, maybe you could be more profitable if you trade it manually, but then again, maybe not. As long as they as long as they put use to that money that you can't really trade because you are too busy or doing other stuff, happy with that. Yeah, extremely happy. So if it's going up, the grid bot will accumulate profits as well. If it's going down, it will soften the blow. Yeah, and maybe I will even switch it off when we can see that it's going into this area, and then I might just switch it on again down there and take benefit of the third wave to the upside if it happens. Yeah, maybe we already go up here in the third wave. What I will do then is just adjust the range as we go for the grid bot. And it will trade those ranges here as we very nice with this choppy nature of this chart. When you get that, start to get the feeling that a grid bot is very useful in 1-2 setups as well as in a wave 4, or even in B waves where it's very choppy. So lots of opportunities there. And yeah, hopefully here you now know the key targets for the next move. You know the key support level below which the C wave will get more likely. You're aware of the breakout point, the targets. Just one more thing to highlight here is that 200-day moving average, which is now at around $25. Now, getting there, yeah, breaking above it would potentially be a bullish sign. Yeah, a moving average is always a trend filter as well. So if we have the possibility to break above the 200-day moving average, then this would potentially have bullish implications and allow us to even break above 2680, but we'll take it level by level here. First need to see, can we break above the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders, and then can we actually break above this 200-day moving average. We sort of saw it as resistance here. Yeah, I mean, we didn't necessarily touch it. Here we nearly did, but we got very close, and it seems like it's impacting a little bit the price. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.